In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook posts in Canva. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable workflow that helps you design a polished post from scratch using Canva's built-in tools for color, photo editing, blending, elements, and text. Start by opening a Facebook post template in Canva so your canvas is the right size from the beginning. Using a preset saves time and ensures your design looks crisp on the platform. With the canvas open, change the background color to something that fits your brand or the mood of your message. Click the background and pick a color that has enough contrast with any photos or text you plan to add. Next, upload your image. Bring it into your design and get it roughly in place. To clean up the subject, click BG Remover to remove the background in one step. This tool is great for isolating a person or product so it pops. After the background is removed, resize the image using the corner handles and reposition it until the composition feels balanced. Keep a little breathing room near the edges so nothing looks cramped. Now head to Apps, search for Image Blender, and open it. Choose the Linear Blend option. You'll see adjustable dots on a line. Drag those to the areas you want to fade so the edges blend smoothly into the background. Adjust the strength to fine-tune how subtle or bold the fade should be. Then click Save to apply it to your image. Go to Elements to add visual accents. Search for any graphics that match your theme, and click. See All Graphics to browse full sets that share a consistent style. Insert the elements you like, then adjust and reposition them so they frame your subject without competing for attention. Add another element if needed, resize it, and change its color to align with your palette. Here, choosing black creates strong contrast and keeps the design sleek. Add your text next and type in any word or phrase for your headline or key message. Change the font to match your brand personality, bold for impact, or something clean for readability. Resize the text so it's legible at a glance, and center it using the smart guides for perfect alignment. To finish, click Effects and select Lift. This adds a gentle depth that makes your text feel more integrated with the design without overpowering it. And that's it. Your Facebook post is designed, cohesive, and ready to catch attention in the feed.